Alright, welcome back to another video of the Devscorch development vlog. So, the website is coming along nicely. In the last video we already talked a little bit about the homepage, how it looked and everything. I already did like the courses page as well. So I decided to add in the course systems. As you can see here, you have like 4 cards at the moment. That is like only the test data, and I can show you that here. So as I stated before, I'm building the website using Vapor and Leaf. It's both Swift from Apple, and I'm using it for the website as well, backend and frontend. So as you can see on line 44, that's the course container. So that is the little bit lighter purple one. You can see, like in this case, I call the courses string. I loop through it with a for loop, and every time when there is something in the database, it gets displayed. So the idea about the course page is like when you have like the card, it has like a background image, of the course containing it, with like a little small gradient view over it. So I'm gonna open Sketch here. Wait a second. We're gonna open Sketch, Designs, Final. Okay, just to show you. So this is a little bit how it is. So you have like a background image with a small gradient over it. I think it looks pretty cool. I still have to fix like the rounded corners. For some reason those are not adopted yet. I think I did something wrong with the card. I just have to check it out, I'm not sure. Okay, so it gets like a background image, and as you can see here, the H5, the card title is returned the course.course name, so it's a course name that is saved in the database. So I also worked on the pricing. The pricing page, it's like 99% ready. I only have to connect the button to the sign up stuff. I talked to my team and we are planning to add 2 subscriptions. The first one is the Flame subscription. This gives you access to the basic courses, all course content, free access to the Discord server. You will always have access to the Discord server. It's just something we add as extra. Live coding sections and support with your coding for $9.99 a month. The second one, and we're gonna launch the Blaze subscription in a few later than the Flame, because we don't have the content yet. But when we have the content, we're gonna introduce the Blaze subscription as well. So the Blaze subscription adds all the features from the Flame subscription. You get access to project-oriented courses. This means that you get access to courses who are based on real life projects. So we're gonna build a 9gag clone, maybe we're gonna build an Instagram clone, or maybe something completely different, maybe like an iOS app or games. Just perfect clones of already existing projects or apps, websites, so on. And that is what you get access to with Blaze. So you get access to the past coding sessions. So this means all the live coding sessions that the Flame subscribers saw, the Blaze subscribers also get access to the past live sessions. We're gonna save the live sessions on our RMTP server. It's a storage server running Nginx with RMTP. And in the future, when that is online, you get access to that as well. So that means maybe we do like a live coding session building a simple backend. You need the Blaze subscription to look that back. You get access to challenges. Something really funny, or something really real cool idea we had, is we add challenges to your profile. This means I don't have the designs for it yet. I'm still thinking about it, how to do it. But on your profile you have like a page with challenges, and when you click that, and you get like cards, and each card has like a challenge. So one challenge is like build a responsive website, scaling good on 4K, 5K,
and on mobile. You finish that, and when you finish it, you send it to us. We check it, and if it's good, you get like a mark, and this helps you building your portfolio. And that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna support you with your portfolio as well. So all the challenges you finish and you get like a grading from us, you can put on your GitHub, GitLab, or other Git repository, or you can use it for LinkedIn. And it's really a good way to build out your resume instead of only adding the projects from our courses. You also get the access to challenges, and those challenges are like really good to build on your portfolio. And that is what we are providing with Blaze as well. So support with your portfolio. And last one is access to exclusive content. So access to exclusive content can be like professional lectures on, like, let's say Firebase or Firestore, maybe on Parse, for example. It's just like exclusive content other learning platforms don't offer. And that is something that we are going to do with Blaze as well. Blaze is going to be $14.99 a month. And yeah, I think it is the price is totally worth it. The content is worth the price, I promise you that. So another page is the download page. So I finished it. I only have to implement the backend. I didn't implement the backend system for it yet. But what this means, you can download all the content from our courses for free. So this means, let's say you're following our HTML CSS course. On this page you see the card with HTML CSS course. You can download all the content that is contained in the course. So this means the starter template and the finishing product, images, assets, CSS, everything. We provide it for free. For people who don't want to subscribe to our platform and you still want to learn or you want to see how it works, you can download it for free and you can use it. You can use it to build your own websites. You can even sell it if you want to. Okay, and something we are really exciting about is the roadmap. A nice planned roadmap so you can plan your subscriptions ahead. The idea of Devscorch is that we provide amazing content, lectures and courses for affordable prices. But what if you start to subscribe now and the courses you want to see, or you did one course and you think like, oh, they don't have an Angular course yet, for example. Well, that's why we decided to put a roadmap in, so that you can see when we plan to launch a course, and you can subscribe on the date that the course is coming out. So you don't have to pay 3 months, or you don't have to wait 3 months. You just see, let's say for example, server-side Swift. We build an image sharing API in December, and you think like, oh, I want that course, I want to learn that, but I don't want to subscribe yet. Then you can subscribe. Then you know when to subscribe. I think that is like really, really neat that we provide like a plan where we show you what we are launching. Okay, so another one, the white paper. I'm also writing the white paper now. I can show you that as well. So the white paper is like a small business plan where we explain everything. So what's Devscorch, introduction, technologies, Devscorch platform itself, the Spect API, infrastructure, business model, financial model, and so on. We believe that it's better to be transparent, so that's why we share this as well. When I'm finishing writing it, we're gonna upload it. You click on the button, you download it, you can read it. Okay, so that's a little bit what I've been doing for last week or so. I have still my day job, so I don't have a lot of time. So what I'm working on now, we have like the course, as you can see the course thing, and when you click on checkout, so checkout is like, you get here like the whole JSON array with course information. The idea is that that is this page. I still have to change it, but the idea is that when you click on checkout, you go to a new page with all the course information, and down there you have like the sections and the childs. I can show you that. So let's say you click here the course. Where is the overview? Here it is. So that case, you go to the course, you click here, you see HTML CSS web course, information, even instructor and everything you're gonna see. And then you have like the sections in the videos, those are which are like displayed. And when you click here on the video, it goes to the video player. I'm still looking at that. I'm gonna make the video player pop up, so not a new page but just a pop-up system. I still have to look into that. I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but I have to see what the best UX user experience is, because I'm not really sure yet. The next thing I'm gonna implement this week is the session system, so sessions and tokens for people who want to log in. So let's see a little bit what I changed on the backend side. Don't worry about the compiler warnings. As long as they're not red, you don't have to worry. So I add a few new handlers. I added the course information handler, so that's the handler that is gonna render the course information page where you have all the courses. I changed the category handler. I still have to change it back to courses because I kicked out the category system. I don't think it's gonna help us in the future, so that's why I kicked it out. And yeah, subscription handler, I wrote this last time, but when I'm not gonna run the subscriptions through the backend because it made it all a little bit difficult. Maybe in the future we're still gonna do that, but I still have to find out how to implement Stripe with Vapor, because it's not the easiest way to do it, but we are on it. So yeah, this is a small update. As you can see, it's all relatively responsive as well. So the homepage, for me personally, it looks amazing on 4K now. And when we make it smaller, it just scales, and this is on every page the same way. So when we go to courses, as you can see here, it's all scaled. When we make it bigger, as you can see here, this is like a small issue I still have to fix. The containers are overlapping a little bit, and after this it's all responsive. The same is with pricing. So when we go back, as you can see, it scales all very well, even on high resolution screens on 4K. But for me personally, it looks nice. Roadmap is also pretty scalable. I still have to fix this image with the image fluid, but and I have to fix here like the padding a little bit, or the margin. I think a margin of 20px. Let's test it out right away. That is the roadmap, roadmap, and then we go to the learn image. So we're gonna add a new add media, braces, width, double point. I think this is 700. Let's see, inspect it. Let's see what the breaking point is. The breaking point is on 720. So we're gonna make this width 720. Make 730px. Wait a second, we don't need that one. Okay. And we're gonna add the roadmap image. No, that's the wrong one. We need the learn image. Gonna paste it in here, and we're gonna add the margin. And we're gonna change the margin top to 20px. We save this, and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's now go smaller. I think I made a mistake. $50. I think I made a mistake. Wait a second. Let's see how this media looks here. Max width 770. Okay, we're gonna copy this. Ctrl S. Let's see what happens. Now it looks better. So as you can see here, the breakpoint starts around there, and now the padding is fixed. So we fixed it as well. And yeah, this is a little bit the development of Devscorch itself. I'm gonna make a small intro video about 30 minutes about how to build a simple backend with Vapor. I'm gonna do that this way or something. I don't know when I have time yet. I fixed the responsiveness of the team stuff as well. I only have to add the social media in it. And yeah, there was a small update on the Devscorch development. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys like the design. I hope you guys like how it looks. I have to say the responsiveness is very nice, and performance wise it's really amazing. I can show you like a little bit in the Xcode. Here it is. So the website itself, including the backend, it all runs on 12.6 megabytes. I think it's pretty good. So let's say we're gonna simulate a request. We're gonna simulate a request to courses now. As you can see, not much changes. And that is because JSON is like really lightweight, so it doesn't really matter. But when the performance is only 12.6 MBs at the moment, I simulated it on our dedicated server last week, and it only uses like 50 megabytes per 10 million API requests to the same route. So I think it's pretty cool. So next week I'm gonna make a development part 3. I think I'm gonna finish it next week as well, and I really hope that you guys are gonna subscribe to us and that you're gonna help us teach you how to code. So I wish you all a good night and see you next time.